Hello everyone! Hello everyone! This is Leonard from the Electric Engineers. Today I'm playing some more real driving. And we're pimping out a Supra. And let's see what we can do. Oh boy. Now I really like that one. That one's really nice. And I got some more money so I can customize this thing, and ooh, I really like that. Oh, now this one I like the most. These are just so cool. Ooh. I want that one. Okay. And let's make it about that wide. And for the hood, please tell me there's a triple intake. Triple intake is awesome. There is one. There is one. Awesome. And roof scoops. And we know. Oh, well, I'm gonna. I see. You know what? Let's go for something a little different. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm doing it. And let's give it something quite large. Like that one. That one is perfect. I see. Is it the one I'm looking for, though? Oh, wait. Now that one's much better. And, of course, rims. Let's see how futuristic ones look like on it. Futuristic, eh? No. Deep dish rims? Oh, I see what it means by deep dish. It's deep inside the wheel. No, let's go for some straight ones. Now, let's see. What do we want? I see that. It looks pretty nice, so let's go for that one. Bam. Alright, now we got the rims. Visuals. And metal plating, full body metal. And we're gonna make this. Actually, let's see how it looks in gold. Okay, that's ugly. That is ugly. But that, on the other hand, is beautiful. Our rims. Gold looks good on the rims for some reason. And let's make it nice and shiny. See that shine? Now let's back out of that. Get the window tint full. We can never forget about the windows. And let's get the base paint. Caliper. Of course, we're gonna have the calipers red. Spoiler alert. And what do we want out of the spoiler? That actually looks pretty nice, so let's go for that. And the hood. And what do we want for the hood? Ooh, that actually looks pretty nice, guys. Bam. Yes, I want to apply changes. Let's actually go to that. Make it green. Skirt. And bam. I'm just doing random colors, guys. Oh, can we? Yes. Now the white looks ugly. Come on, give me something good. Alright, that looks good. And the rest we're gonna leave alone. Now for vials, and let's check out the plain vials. Well, that looks trippy. Ooh, which one do we want? Okay, that looks pretty nice. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, but we gotta go back to the hood because you can't even see the lines of the hood red. So instead, let's make it that color. Bam. Alright, now that we got the visuals done, performance. While I was trying to set this car up, it was a pain in the butt. Because well, when I was doing challenges, it was a pain in the butt because this car wasn't customized, and I just gave it nitrous, didn't I? I gave it stage 2 nitrous. No, wait, hold on. We can get that one. We can get the best steering system. Woo! We can get racing tires, racing suspension. I feel like I missed something in the turbocharger. No, I didn't miss anything. Alright. Now we got that done. Let's see how it drives. Okay, I'm outside the thing right now, and let's see. Oh, jeez. Whoa, look at that. First the speed. Oh, wow. Drift. Oh, I mean, steer. Whoa. Woo! Now this is quick. I can see why the Supra is popular. But obviously I don't know how to control it. Well, at least you know how that works. So, on to the next vehicle. Okay, I'm back. Now let's check out the customized. Whoa. Okay, that one I like. I don't think we'll be able to do much because of the amount of money I spent on the other car. Let's go for that. Wow. Side skirts. Let's go for that. Wide bodies. Yes, sir. Make the truck wider. Yeah, let's go for that. Bam. And the hood. Now let's go for a triple intake. Oh, you saw that. How did I know that was gonna pop up on this You can't even see the roof scoop! How? How can you not? How can we see it when it's up at that high? Okay, let's give it a nice, good, big spoiler. Like, where is it? Oh, yes! Okay. You know what? Actually, better yet, let's give her some futuristic ones. Now, that may be expensive, but it looks good. Actually, it's semi-good, but you get my point. You got my point. Now, metal plane, full body. Oh no! I just realized. Do I have enough? I don't have enough. No. Okay, guys. I'm in. Be right back while I do some challenges. Okay. It took forever, but I did it, and we're not gonna. Sorry for the ad. It literally took forever to actually be able to get all the monies. Let's make the blue a little darker. Paint. At least it's less expensive. So we're gonna go for the stuff that is cheap because there wasn't enough challenges to actually get all the monies. Spoiler! Oh, what the? Whoa! What happened to the spoiler? Glitch alert! Glitch alert! Spoiler is messed up. No, let's not bother with the hood. Let's not bother with everything else except the hood intel. Okay. And bam. Alright. Now for vials. And it is a truck. I said, you know what? That looks pretty sweet. You know what? That looks pretty sweet. Let's go for that. Okay. Be right back while I get everything set. Okay, I wasn't able to get all the performance parts in, but oh wait, whoa! Did you see how those wheels are spinning? Whoa! Okay, that's big versus speed. I got the engine and transmission done at least. Look at the size of this! How is anyone supposed to drive? Let's go in first person mode. Whoa! Look how small the intake is! Whoa! I know, it looks like a street vehicle, but I want to do it off-road anyways. Look at it! Look at it! This thing's so wiggly! What's wrong with this truck? And what is wrong with my spoiler? That's not the spoiler I chose. What is going on? I'm going to have to fix that spoiler on the next video. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. In the next video, we're going to fix up this truck. Something's wrong with this truck. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please slap that like button. And then if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And click that little bell down at the bottom below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!